So, you're thinking about using beforepay? That's great. But a question pops up: does beforepay actually approve everyone? Let's dive right in and uncover the truth. Beforepay, for those who aren't familiar, is a financial technology company that offers instant loans. It's a convenient way to access funds quickly, especially in emergencies or for unexpected expenses. But, like any financial service, there are certain criteria and considerations. The approval process. Now, the big question: does beforepay approve everyone? Well, the short answer is no. While beforepay aims to make the process as smooth as possible, they do have specific criteria to ensure responsible lending. Here are some of the key factors that beforepay considers. Credit score. A good credit score can significantly increase your chances of approval. It's a reflection of your financial history and how reliably you've managed credit in the past. Income. A stable income source is crucial. Beforepay wants to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan, and a steady income is a strong indicator of that. Employment status. Your employment status can influence the approval process. A stable job can boost your credibility as a borrower. Loan amount and term. The amount you're borrowing and the repayment term play a role. Beforepay assesses your financial situation to determine if you can handle the monthly payments. Device and location. Sometimes, technical factors like your device and location can affect the approval process. Tips to increase your chances of approval. While there's no guaranteed way to get approved, here are some tips to improve your chances. Check your credit score. A good credit score is a major plus. If your score isn't ideal, consider taking steps to improve it, like paying bills on time and reducing credit card debt. Provide accurate information. Ensure that all the information you provide during the application process is accurate and up to date. Inaccurate information can lead to delays or rejection. Be realistic about your loan amount. Don't borrow more than you need. A reasonable loan amount that you can comfortably repay will increase your chances of approval. Choose a repayment term that suits you. Select a repayment term that aligns with your financial situation. A longer term might have lower monthly payments but could lead to higher overall interest. Be patient. The approval process might take some time. Be patient and avoid multiple applications, as this could negatively impact your credit score. While beforepay strives to make the loan process accessible, it's important to understand that not everyone will be approved. By considering the factors mentioned above and following the tips provided, you can increase your chances of a successful application. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.